Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to clear the troubleshooting history on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I'll show you guys how to do that. You just need to go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator, and you just need to select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video, copy it, tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in, press enter. After finishing this, you just need to copy the second command and copy it and paste it. Press enter. And you can able to see it doesn't says anything about not finding the file specified. So it was able to clear out those files successfully, guys. And that's all you have to do it, guys. Just to close it off here. And that's how you clear the troubleshooting history on your computer. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.